Hello people, today's video is going to be about having clause in SQL. Now the having clause in SQL are used in group by statements. Now what are having clause? What is the definition of having clause? The having clause was added to SQL because the where keyword cannot be used with aggregate functions. Right? Now the syntax is same up to the group by name. It has the same syntax up to here with the same as group by statements. After this, we apply the having condition, which is used to filter out the undesired. This is used to filter out the undesired data from our output, right? Now, why don't we use the where statement, right? So let's learn the difference between the where clause and having clause, right? Now, both of them are used to filter data, but where clause, right, it filters data from the table based on the specific condition, but the having clause filters data from the group based on the specific condition. Now what does this mean, right? So we will learn about this after we apply some queries, right? So let's head to pgadmin. Let's select a table, right? Let's select the payment table. This is the DVD rental database. Now to apply having statement, I'll have to apply group by statement first. So let's group the customers. Let's group the customers as I want to know how much amount the single customer has spent in the shop. So what I'll do is I'll do customer ID as what I did in the previous video and apply the aggregate sum function on amount. Right, and then apply group by statement, group by customer ID. Now what's happening here is, now the output suggests that each customer has spent how much amount. Now what I want to do is I want to filter the output, right? I do not want the customers to show up who has spent less than $100 in the shop. So what I'll do is I'll apply having clause. Having clause can be applied on the sum, not can be applied, it is applied on the aggregate function column, right? So what? It should be greater than 100. Now here, the output generated shows that all of the customers who have spent the amount less than $100 are filtered out, right? Now we can do whatever we want. We can order by, right? We can order by the sum amount in descending or ascending order. Better just to get the better understanding of data, right? Now this is what the having clause in a nutshell, right? This is how having clause works. Now we cannot apply where statement after applying group by, right? Let's apply this and it will definitely show an error, right? Where, let's say, amount is greater than, let's say, $10, right? Now it will generate an error because where statement filters data from the specific columns with specific conditions. But group by is different, but group by is actually very different. It is applied on the aggregate functions so that we can get better hold of new data, right? So this is all about having clause in SQL, and there's not much into it, like you can apply various conditions. And thank you for watching.